So hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Divine Tarot. This is Deepa, and I just came back from a wedding, and I wanted to do this video because I was pretty sure like what all I wanted to share. So yeah, I'm gonna use only one deck today. Yeah, so I'm gonna use my light seers, and I didn't even shuffle this, so I'm gonna do this in this video. So since I came from the wedding, so there is something to do with the wedding. Let me know. Maybe you are going to get married soon. Who knows? Yeah. So let me just give this a quick shuffle and let's see what the spirits want to tell. Yeah. So what else is happening, guys? You know, the twin flames, everybody are, confirming all of the readers, and even I confirmed that the divine masculine is closing out on a karmic cycle. So yeah, let's see what comes out. Okay. Wow. We're starting the reading with the Ten of Cups. Yeah. So I got the Ten of Cups and the Sun and the Ace of Swords. Okay. The Star. Wow. The spread today is superb. Okay. So let's see what is happening. I think you're going to meet soon because that's what I'm getting from the energy today. You're going to meet soon. Your counterpart could be both of your feelings. So whenever the meet is coming near, you will suddenly like start feeling very good, and you will suddenly feel the smell or the essence of of the other divine counterpart. For example, if you're DM, you can feel the presence of your DF, and if you're a DF, you can feel like DM is beside you, he's hugging you, he's kissing you, like that. You get these thoughts, like you feel like it is happening. Yeah. My phone, sorry, my laptop is low battery. I'll just keep it for charge. So yeah, I don't know, whenever I just start this this video, and always my laptop is for low battery. It happens when I'm doing this only, otherwise my laptop always has charge. So okay, so I got the Ten of Cups and then I got the Sun. So this is DM's energy, guys. This is DM's energy, and I keep hearing that he gives a 10 on 10 to you. Could be emotionally, could be sexually, could be with your appearance, physical appearance, could be your attitude, could be how you carry yourself. Everything he's giving a 10 on 10. If he made a checklist, like if this girl satisfies this, if this girl satisfies this, yeah, it's a 10 on 10. I see like that. I see this 10 of cups like that. So yeah. The meet is very soon, guys, because we got four very good cards, and Ace of Swords is also the card of communication. So this guy is about to burst. You can see this card right here in the Sun card. You can see how it is. You can see how this girl is just bursting out. This are his emotions. You can also see it's creating a pattern right here. As it is bursting, you can see it's creating this flower pattern. This guy wants to burst out and tell his emotions. That's what I see right here. He's unable to hold anymore. Could be you are getting attention from other men and this guy is not liking it, or he's seeing you getting beautiful each, like I told in the previous reading, he's seeing like you are getting beautiful each day. As you're aging, you're getting beautiful. That's what I'm feeling with this reading. Okay, this guy is unable to hold. Okay, and with Ace of Swords, I also see this. Okay, this guy is trying out to find somebody else. Could be to talk, or I don't know why I'm hearing the word sex chat. Let me know. Okay, could be sex chatting with other women. I'm talking about divine masculine, but he's unable to. There is this force that always draws him back to you, to DF. He's not knowing that you are his other half. That's why that is happening. That is why that pull is happening, and he's being drawn again to you. You can see this. Why I'm saying that. This is the pull. Whenever he tries to go, it always brings him back to you. Um, you know, when such things, I'll tell you, always you have this deja vu, okay, with twin flames. Could be both of you are eating ice cream at the same time. Something like that, okay? Deja vu happens. And the divine masculine is slowly experiencing this deja vu. Yeah? Seven of Pentacles. Okay. King of Pentacles. So this guy is accumulating money. Could be to gift you something. We have a Seven of Pentacles and a King of Pentacles. So something to do with money. Could be he was low on finances. I don't know, guys. Let me know, okay? This could resonate to a few set of people. So I'm also seeing that your your DM has lost money in a financial. Somebody cheated him, or he didn't get money from something which he thought he would get. Something to do with finance here. Okay, this is his bank account. He's trying to accumulate money. Could be to gift you something. Okay, King of Pentacles is somebody with abundance, with financial, a lot of financial, lot of financial. He is very good financially. That's what I mean to say, and something to do with dogs as well. Okay, is he gifting a dog? I don't know, guys. Let me know. Something here I'm resonating to that. He's accumulating money to gift his lover. That is you, DF. I don't know how I catch the energy, and the card, confirms to me when it comes later that, yeah, Deepa, what you're thinking is absolutely right. This is how it is. So, guys, he's planning to gift you something, and I'm also seeing that he already has got it. Could be he already bought it to some of you, and he's planning to give it as an apology of whatever his behavior was. Because with Ace of Swords, I'm seeing that he tried to he spoke some shit, okay, and he knows that. So this gift, whatever he's giving you, is a apology gift. Okay, to accept or not, it's your choice. But as a tarot reader, I will tell you that to please take it, because he accumulated money and is giving you that. Okay, take it. Just forgive. In twin flames, you should always forgive each other. And this guy is also waiting sexually when he can get a hold of you. Okay, Queen of Wands, you can see. He wants to grab you. He don't want you to go anywhere else. I can picture like a box, okay, or like a room. He just wants to put you inside and never let you go. That is how much um, he's feeling. Could be he does not express this to you guys, but the cards never lie. Okay, the reader never lies. I can always decode the energy. Don't believe in him. Queen of Wands also shows that, in front of you, he tries to act like he's not interested in you, like as much. The feelings inside are so high or so depth that he don't want. He acts like he does not. He's not so into you, but the cards never lie, guys. He's madly into you. Like, he's trying. You can see this person right here with all these candles surrounded, but that one flame, what she's holding is you, the twin flame, the divine feminine, right? Nothing is interesting him. Okay, for example, if he starts talking, see, this is the time of social media. Okay, you can meet anybody online. So if he starts talking, for example, 1 hour to somebody, could be sex chat also, because Queen of Wands is also sex chat. Okay, something, something happens. Could be the way that person talks, or could be that person's name, could be that person's look. Something always reminds him back of you, the divine feminine. The divine masculine always is dragged back to divine feminine. Okay, and he's slowly coming to the realization that there is nobody else like you. Yeah, the cards, all positive cards came. So this guy's bulb is finally lighted. Like, oh my god, there is nobody like my divine feminine. Yeah, she's made for me. See, Knight of Cups. This guy wants to express his love now. He was running away from this love before, but now he has realized, you know what, he's getting scared. He's getting scared. You can see how this person sat on the chair right here. So now he's like, this is my divine feminine. Nobody is supposed to sit here. Like we play with musical chairs, right? Like that. He don't want to move from this chair because he wants to tell everybody that divine feminine is his. Yeah. Temperance. Okay. I think this guy is seeing a lot of synchronicities, like signs and all of those things as well. I'm getting that with this Temperance card. There is definitely a spiritual presence. Since I have only my one deck today, the thoughts are clearer. I'm not wasting my time in shuffling and all. Yeah. Two of Pentacles. There is something to do with finance here, guys. Okay. So finance is accumulating money to gift you something, or could be to have a stable future with you. Whatever he's doing, it is for you, okay? For the divine feminine. The Queen of Pentacles. So this one I don't see as divine feminine. This is the karmic, which on which he was dependent financially, okay? So this person on whom he was dependent financially, this guy is running away, divine masculine, or he's closing out a cycle. I can see that as, the karmic. Let me put this to the side, and I'll put the karmic thing this side. Let's check what's happening. Okay, so this is the karmic. She's feeling that earlier she tried all these means to stop divine masculine from going to divine feminine, but this woman has understood or can see in the face of divine masculine that he's no longer interested in her. Yeah. So there is a tower movement, guys. So I separated, I divided it. This side is the divine masculine and divine feminine's journey, and this side I kept the karmic. So for Queen of, as soon as I said karmic, you see the kind of cards that are coming. So Queen of Pentacles, we have the Four of Cups, and then I got the Tower. So right, there is a tower movement between these both. Could be these both had a fight, okay? Or could be an argument or some difference of opinion happened, okay? And this karmic has understood now, and this tower moment can also be in the karmic's lives. So something is about to happen, and lightning is going to strike. It is, see, tarot cards are around about that area, or they are going to happen, okay? Round about that area, or I meant to say time frame, okay? That has already happened, it's going to happen, or it will happen in the near future, in that time frame, till we get a next update. So Eight of Pentacles, okay? So this karmic is not going to give up, okay? This divine masculine, but I'll tell you something, okay? Divine masculine has now fully trained how to handle this karmic, okay? The ultimate, as I said in my previous videos, that karmic will suffer an ultimate karma when she meets divine feminine. Could be a she or a he, take the gender, whatever it resonates. And but before that, okay, universe, this is universe. You can see that lightning, that's the universe. And Eight of Pentacles, I'm seeing like this divine masculine has mastered his ways of how to handle this karmic, and you divine feminine have a huge role to play in this, okay? See, twin flame journey is something. Divine feminine is spiritually and in everything about divine masculine, that's a true fact. But you should always help your divine masculine also to come in, like to join this journey, or you should, it's like you are paving this road, and this divine, you're bringing divine masculine, like it's like your car is going forward and you're asking divine masculine to follow your car. That is how a twin flame journey is. Divine, it's not like he's an asshole, he doesn't understand all this. You should not tell that. Being a divine feminine, you should show him the way, because this guy don't know ABCD of spirituality. So how are you understanding, how are you expecting him to understand something so sacred as twin flame journey, right? So you have to, even divine feminine has the role of showing divine masculine, of showing all this. So hey guys, I just took a break because I got a call. So what I want to tell you is, this divine masculine has slowly learned to handle this karmic as well. Okay, because I'll tell you something. Okay, when divine masculine and divine feminine also, like they began their journey and future together as a couple, this karmic won't stop interfering, right? So because she has this jealousy factor, okay, so she wants to check like what exactly is happening, or that's how it is. See, I don't blame the karmic as well. This is a part of journey, okay? We are all players in this game. So what I want to say is that the divine masculine has learned ways to master, to handle this karmic, okay? Now you can see what's happening. I think there is some sadness happening in the karmic's life as well, because she tried to separate these two people, right? So that's why universe played a role in this. She's suffering her karma, that's what I'm hearing, okay? She, her, whatever it is, okay? Gender, you very well know, okay, who is the karmic and what is happening. Okay, so I'm gonna put the karmic to the side because I'm feeling, yeah, she's done. And I also have one more thing to check, but I'm gonna shuffle the cards and then let's see. I'm thinking that this divine masculine is going to ask you to meet him or some, because it's time, guys. You know, I'm hearing the word you're ready, you're ready, you're ready. This divine masculine was ready 6 months ago. It is he who dragged it so far. You know, with his overthinking, with his negative thoughts, it is himself. Universe told him you're ready long back. That's what I'm hearing. Okay. So yeah, see, 7 of Cups. Now this guy is, I also see this as his friends. So he's checking with his friends, like what exactly should I do? Could be, could be he's telling that, I want to start a business with her. Could be he's telling that, I want to make her mine and then start a business with her. Divine feminine, these are all his friends. Could be it's close circle of friends. Okay, could be family as well. So he's talking about you, he's talking about divine feminine to his friends and family. So, but even if he asks opinion of those people, but he is going to do what he feels is right. Okay, and he in his heart knows that, future or the direction and the life with divine feminine is the one, like that is the actual path. He knows in his heart, even if he won't accept in front of you. Okay, you are watching this video because universe wanted you to watch divine feminine. So this, even if this guy won't tell, this is in his heart because the cards won't lie, right? This guy is frustrated because you're not talking to him, right? You're not giving him attention. All of this is troubling him, but he needs to understand that how he treated you in the past. That's why he's planning on this gift. Okay, see, all of his friends, I'm not getting a clarity. Could be in the next video I may get, like what exactly his friends are telling. So we will do in a next video, like what exactly his friends are telling. See, could be his close friend is telling that, seeing how this divine masculine speaks about you. He's very excited when he speaks about you. He's telling, she's so beautiful, right? And she can do this. She's so talented. Like that's something, this divine masculine is telling positively only about you. Obviously, there is nothing negative because you're a 10 on 10 for him. Because the reading started with 10 of Cups. Yeah. So 5 of Swords, I'm seeing that this guy is irritated. That you're not talking to him. That is giving him irritation. You can see that. He wants to talk to you badly. Whoever he is busy, talking to the other girls or sex chatting, that is because you are not talking to him. You can see this person right here. Okay, yeah, how he is whispering in the, this crow is whispering in his ears. So he's feeling he's missing talking to you. There is communication gap clearly, and he's also, you can see this this thing right here. So that is all your memories. Could be, the chats that you had and all the conversations you had. This guy, 5 of Swords is late night. Okay, so this guy in the night is reading all these chats, is revisiting his, his, you can see how this guy is holding his head. So whatever conversations you guys had, this guy is revisiting, and like a tape recorder, it's running in his mind. He's thinking. Okay, so now I'll tell you what exactly he's thinking. So he's thinking that I should have responded nicely, I should have treated her nicely, I should have given a better response, because he did this self damage, he did this self sabotage because of the karmic as well. Yeah, he lost something so good. That's what he's exactly feeling here. Because down the line, as we move to the future, you can see how important it has become to him. Yeah, the Emperor. This guy can try and go near any girl, but his divine feminine, he has to, that star card right here was that universe doesn't allow him. Even universe need not play a role right here now because it has reached to that point. So even if he wants to move on, universe, not only universe drags him, but he always comes back to you, divine feminine. The Emperor, you can see how this guy is holding that white king. Could be he likes your complexion. Let me know, because I saw that as a complexion as well. And I can also see this as a moon on which he's sitting. So this guy is full of emotions right now. And any of you are Taurus, let me know. Could be, see, Taurus need not be, it should be a Taurus only. You can have your moon, Mars or Venus right there. or you could be a Venus, a Taurus rising. For example, my moon and Mars are in Taurus, so that means this reading is applicable to me also. Yeah, so we see like that. Okay, it shouldn't be a zodiac itself. This guy wants to talk to you very bad and he's spying on you full on, guys. Like, if you have any male friends, he wants to find out like what is the connection you both have. Okay, he's not understanding that talking to you is the only solution. I told in my previous videos also, talking to you is only the solution. Okay, I'm picking up one more thing. Okay, this is going to happen in the near future. You both are going to meet very soon, because I got all major arcana and I got all positive cards. So that indicates a reunion. Okay. And I'm also seeing that this karmic will try to interfere in that also. Could be she'll call him for work that day, whatever. Okay. You need to tell me in the comments what exactly is this karmic situation, because it's person to person. Yeah. The person will try to interfere. Okay. But this, I think Divine Masculine can handle very well. I can also see your Six of Cups. You can see this, yeah. I'm getting a huge, like reunion vibe. That energy is coming to me like that. Page of Cups, yeah. This guy's, spying on you full on, guys. Four of Swords. So I think he's going to change his home as well, because Four of Swords to me shows that. He just wants to sleep on your lap and cry it out and tell everything. This guy can't control anymore, because he has reached to that point of volcano burst. You can see this with this card. I can confirm that he has reached to that point where it's going to burst out full on. So yeah, Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, see, the summary of this reading today is that I'm getting the vibe and the energy of a reunion. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. That's it I have today, because I felt like I should stop the reading right here. So I just did a one deck. Okay, so whatever karmic cycle, even DF could be in a karmic cycle. Okay, even she is closing out. So yeah, so just stay happy. That's what I'll tell DF. Just keep doing you. Okay, that's the advice I have to you. Like, being a reader as well, being a divine feminine myself, I always use a tagline like I'm the queen divine feminine, because I have been on this journey, and I want you guys to just focus on your work. Just have a neutral mindset. I always tell divine feminine that just have a neutral mindset, because this guy has to make up for you. Like, he has to, because you have always been a support to him, so he has to. If he is giving a gift, very good, you will accept that. Okay, accepting is up to you, but as a reader I will tell you that you should accept it. See, if anybody gives you as a token of love, you should always accept it. So that's about it. So let me know how you felt today's reading with one deck. Okay, even I'm experimenting everything. So hopefully in the next video that I do, or in that another 1-2 videos, I will use my own deck. So yeah, guys, bye. I'll see you guys in the next video.